Hey guys! Welcome to the Introduction to Programmable Logic Controllers (PLC) online course. In this course, you will embark on an exciting journey into the world of PLCs, starting with the basics and gradually progressing to more advanced topics. Through a combination of interactive lessons, hands-on exercises, and real-world examples, you will gain a comprehensive understanding of PLCs and their applications in various industries. Understand the basics. You will learn about the basic components of a PLC system, including input, output modules, CPU, memory, and programming software. Programming fundamentals. Dive into the fundamentals of PLC programming languages such as ladder logic, function block diagrams, and structured text. Gain practical experience in writing and understanding PLC programs. PLC hardware and software. Explore different types of PLC hardware available in the market and learn how to select the right PLC for specific applications. Get hands-on experience with popular PLC programming software platforms. Troubleshooting techniques. Develop essential troubleshooting skills to diagnose and resolve common PLC hardware and software issues effectively. Advanced topics. Explore advanced PLC programming techniques, such as data manipulation, analog control, motion control, and safety functions. Topic 1. Introduction to PLCs. Basic concepts, history, and applications of PLCs. Topic 2. PLC hardware, components, architecture, and selection criteria. Topic 3. PLC programming. Fundamentals of ladder logic programming and other programming languages. Topic 4. Input-output modules. Types of I/O modules and their configurations. Topic 5. Communication protocols. Serial and Ethernet communication protocols used in PLC systems. Topic 6. Troubleshooting PLCs. Common issues, diagnostics, and troubleshooting techniques. Topic 7. Advanced PLC programming, advanced programming techniques and applications. Topic 8. Real-world applications, case studies and examples of PLC applications in different industries. Who should take this course? Students and professionals in the fields of electrical engineering, automation, and control systems. Maintenance technicians, control engineers, and system integrators working with PLCs. Anyone interested in learning about PLCs and pursuing a career in industrial automation. By the end of this course, you will have the knowledge and skills necessary to work confidently with PLCs, from programming and configuring to troubleshooting and optimizing PLC-based control systems. We're excited to embark on this learning journey with you, and we're confident that this course will empower you to excel in the dynamic field of industrial automation.